Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to check your wallet balance in Ton Wallet. First, launch the Ton Keeper application on a device. Now, on the home screen, you will see a wallet balance displayed. This typically shows your total amount of Ton coins. If it is an asterisk, click on it to reveal the amount you have. Now, if you want more detailed information, tap on Wallet Balance. This will take you to more detailed view of your wallet. Here you can see not only your balance but also transaction history, incoming, outgoing transaction. If you manage multiple wallets, ensure you are viewing the correct one by selecting it from the Manage Wallet section if needed. This allows you to easily monitor your funds and track any changes in your balance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.